Hi everyone, myself Kabul from AML Department sitting here. Today we are going to see in the third experiment in programming microcontrollers subject. The experiment name is simulation of Pushbutton and LED interface with the OR controller and Proteus software. First of all, the aim is to make a interface between LED and digital input Pushbutton to form development board and stimulate in Proteus. First of all, there will respond you need to software STM32 ID and Proteus with simulated unit. You kindly requested to install two softwares before coming into the experiment list. And when you are install everything, kindly open STM32 ID. There will be a logo like that. And kindly select file and select new STM program. And after opening a STM project, kindly select your particular programming the program processor that it is STM32 or the processor you selected and make changes in the processor according to the project. And here I'm using the C language. So by itself I continue to everything like this like and you can see after installing IOC integrated circuit you can see that like this circuit diagram in the board and in the left side menu you can system core analog prime mode connectivity multimedia etc like that and here you need to select the appropriate GPU instances for in and out interface and you can select whatever input output tools you can give it here and and save all the changes and automatically the program will be generated in main.c in the first folder and you need to edit the program as per required because each selected a specific string for input and specific string for output to make changes in the program and by search here I'm changing some more program you can see that one project is everything the program is created you need to run that program and once you run it you will getting zero errors and zero warnings and after that you open the Proteus software and create it new file and open X file from STM and load the X file to the Proteus. Before that, you need to um, create a circuit with processor and the LED and the resistor and after load the STM X file to continue our execution of the program. Here I am using a program you can see that this is the program what I am doing here. This function you can see this function void push underscore button displays the mini function for input and output purpose and as it is already we defaultly it will created when you are clicking save button after changes in the processor when run the program simulate the program in Proteus you can see the LED will be on and off when you are clicking a button and this is the simulation of LED with the push button. Okay, kindly thank you for viewing this video.